Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Tencent. This review was requested by a patron of mine. His name is Tengos. Shout out to you, buddy. So we're going to be taking a look at this project. We did have a TA review on it yesterday. That's going to be in the top right hand corner of your video. Check that out before watching this one. But right now we're going to be taking a look at the fundamental review. So Tencent, ticker TenSet. You can see that the current price is around $3. We do have a market cap of $231 million, which is, not that low. So this is not really a low cap gem, but you can see that it isn't listed properly on the CoinMarketCap website because this market cap isn't verified with CoinMarketCap. So this is the self-reported market cap. They do have 210 million tokens in circulation. The self-reported circulating supply at the moment is 77.4 million tokens in circulation, which is about, 1/3 of the tokens out in the circulation. Now, let's read about this project. So what is Tencent? Tencent is an emerging blockchain project that envisions itself to be the bridge between crypto assets and the traditional stock market. It employs the new generation EDF.2 deflationary token as well as an intelligent staking method. Its goal is to speed up adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain by the financial markets. According to its official website, it is capitalizing on the current state of the economy as it approaches the fourth industrial revolution. So another DeFi project over here, bridging real world finance with cryptocurrencies, which is great. A lot of similar projects out there, but this one is trying to be a bit more unique. So according to Tencent's white paper, it claims to be the world's first deflationary token that combines dividend shares with cryptocurrency projects. This is due to innovative technologies such as blockchain, decentralized finance, or DeFi, and the Internet of Things, which are becoming highly appealing to enterprises that want to offer consumers innovative solutions. So yeah, that's the brief description of the project. And if we take a look at the history of the price action, so the token was launched sometime March 2021. It saw a peak of around $6, and now it's about 50% down at the current price. Now, if we start scrolling a bit lower, you can see what makes Tencent unique. So Tencent is a one-of-a-kind initiative that will give users tangible real-world benefits while holding Tencent as part of their portfolio. Tencent intends to use the token to support itself by reinvesting cash in other crypto initiatives, as well as traditional equities in industries with really low volatility. It has both problem-solving significance and qualities prevalent in emerging cryptocurrencies. The team designed this token to create greater incentives for investors by allowing them to stake and reap bonuses just by keeping them in their wallets. So you will get rewarded by holding the Tencent token. Another feature is that Tencent's network smart contracts charge a 2% fee on every transaction. 1% of this charge will be automatically transferred to investors, while the remaining 1% will be burned. So they do have a burning mechanism. So those who own Tencent tokens will profit immediately from this scheme, incentivizing them to hodl. So basically, it doesn't matter how many tokens you get. This distribution, from what I understand, is distributing to all of the holders on a fair, by a fair formula, basically. So Tencent is also an ETF 2.0 distributor. This implies that the business will invest investor cash in a combination of cryptocurrencies and conventional stocks. When compared to cryptocurrencies alone, this will provide the project more liquidity while also lowering the risk and volatility. The current phase of the Tencent project will incorporate the financial markets and trading and traditional financing. The ultimate objective is to fully integrate and link the crypto sector with the stock market. They are currently working with mainstream payment systems such as Visa and established technology companies like Oracle. So, they're working with some big names here in the business. So this is really, really good in my opinion. So a lot more info here, but scrolling down, you can see that it is listed on Gate.io and Uniswap. So personally, if I'm going to be buying this, obviously I will be using Gate.io because I don't want to be paying those high fees on Uniswap. Now let's jump into their website. I'm not going to go too deep into everything because that will take a very long time, but I'm going to have all the links down below in the description. So basically they do buy their tokens and they basically burn. So smart backing, I think this is it. No, actually, they did have that regarding the burning mechanisms over here, but we'll get to that in a second. So starting with the roadmap, so Q3 of 2021 and Q4 of 2021. So we do have the roadmap for 2022 releasing very soon, from what I understand. We don't have it yet, but as you can see, they did have a roadmap for every quarter of this year, and they're moving along nicely, so you can check that out as well. Here they have the next frontier of DeFi liquidity incentives. So here you have the pass system, and this is how the Tencent EDF 2.0 works. And they do have a very nice video. Actually, I do have it linked here, so I'm going to link it down below in the description. So this is just a brief kind of explainer on what Tencent is, so you can check that out as well. So here, this explains how this is a deflationary project. So we actually covered this, but the fees are going to be burned, right? 1% of the fees is burned, and the other percent is distributed to the hodlers, and they are buying their tokens as well, and burning those as well. I don't remember the percentage or the amount of money they're using, but they do that as well. And they do have a Launchpad as well. So Tencent Gems launch platform brings another exclusive utility to the Tencent hodlers, creates more deflation, and boosts the buyback program. So the buyback program is basically them buying their tokens and burning them. Our proven launch system, marketing experience, and robust selection process offer an extra layer of protection for our investors and ensure our launches are highly successful. So they do have a Launchpad as well, so that's really, really good. And yeah, they're available on Kanga Exchange and on PancakeSwap as well. And let's check what we have. Let's go to the gems sector over here. So I think this is going to be about the tokens that have already launched. So yeah, so Everdome I think is going to be launching very, very soon, and these are some of the ones that we had previously over here, and they do have more gems incoming. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Do your own research into this, obviously. So they do have their team section on the website over here, so make sure you check out their team, check them out on Twitter. I did look into them, so I didn't find anything to be, nothing negative about them as far as I'm concerned. If you find out anything, please make sure to leave a comment down below. But I do think that, they do have a pretty good team over here, and the team is transparent, which is always a big thumbs up from me. But other than that, you can check their roadmap, their token, their tokenomics, their news, and obviously their white paper. So yeah, thanks for the suggestion, Tengos. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Hopefully you will check out this project yourselves. And that has been pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. We do have a Telegram chat as well as a Discord server. And we do have a Patreon where I do share some low cap gems, my buy and sell alerts, and a lot more stuff in there as well. Make sure to check. The links are in the description. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.